Today, I will show you the new Dango Design Vertical GoPro Mount. This mount is specifically designed for the GoPro HERO 9 or newer action cameras. It's made out of CNC machined aluminum with a stabilization pad for zero vibration. It has a cutout window to access the power button while mounted. It comes with a long thumb screw. This long thumb screw provides adequate clearance for the battery door to open to access the battery or SD card while mounted. While mounted, your GoPro lens will always be centered for the perfect shot regardless whether you mount it with the lens on top or the lens on the bottom. Dango Design's vertical action camera mount is compatible with the Dango Design Gripper action camera mount. Let's discuss why you might want the Dango Design Vertical GoPro mount. Over the years, the standard way to position your GoPro would be horizontal, like this one on the left-hand side, which is excellent for capturing horizontal footage for YouTube or any other platform that caters to horizontal footage. With the increase of popularity of vertical footage on social media platforms, we wanted to make it seamless and easy for people to participate. No more modifying your horizontal footage by cropping in and losing any aspect ratio. Now with our vertical mount, you can capture footage in vertical format at highest resolution without sensor cropping, download it to your mobile device, and seamlessly upload it to your favorite social media platform with no extra editing. Get yourself a new Dango Design Vertical GoPro mount and make capturing the moment and uploading to your favorite social media platform faster and easier.